How to fix Facebook lock profile option not showing. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix if the lock profile option isn't showing on Facebook. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If the lock profile button is not showing on your Facebook account, so by locking profile you mean that whenever you open Facebook and go to your profile page and you tap the three dots option, you should see something like this option that says lock profile, which is a new feature on Facebook and has been rolled out to many devices and accounts as well. But if you're not seeing this, then there could be a couple of reasons. The first and foremost is that make sure you don't have a professional account. Professional account cannot be made a private account, which means to lock the profile. So that's why if you have turned on professional mode, make sure to turn it off right from here. Second of all, it could just be that the feature has not reached your device. So what you can do is, first of all, on Android, you can long press the Facebook app icon. Tap the I button to come to the app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device. Then from here, just go to storage, then clear the cache files and make sure to clear the data. Then go to your Play Store or your App Store and in the search bar, just search for Facebook and check if the Facebook app has an update. And of course, if it does, then you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.